Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of Vijeo Designer Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see are the different panels and master panels that we have in the software. So let's go to the software. So I'm going to start with a new project. Okay, so new project, single target, no password, and let's use this one a little bit much bigger. I'm going to disable this part and finish. So by default, what we have is a panel. Okay, we have the graphical panels, and it's divided by base panels, pop-up windows, and master panels. Okay, so the base panel are the ones that you create your screens and then you just navigate through them. Okay, so imagine that you have panel 1 and you just need to add a new panel. So if you go to base panel, right click, you have the possibility to create a new panel or new panel with master. When you create new panel with master, it will point to this one. So basically, if you have, for example, some specific layout, okay, that's going to be replicated on each screen, then you need to use a base master panel. So you're going to create a new master panel. Here's going to be my master. And here I'm going to create, I don't know, something. For example, I have like different navigations I can have here. So I'm going to use for navigations this. I'm not going to add anything. Then we will have some kind of inconvenience there. But let's say navigation 01. Color, going to use something like this. Text color, I think is fine. So it's going to be navigation 01. Going to get navigation 02. Control V. So I have my navigation part here in the bottom. This is just an example. And then, for example, in the top, I have something like this. So we have this separation over here, 3. Okay, that separation. 1 on this side. So imagine you have that. So now, if we go back to your panel and you want to create a new panel with master, you select the master, but here you're not able to touch anything because this one is already formed. So for example, now this is going to be my panel 2, and you have a lot of things. Okay, it's fine. Then if I select, for example, new panel with master, select the master, and this one's going to be panel 3. I need to start from scratch, but the back part for the navigation is already done. So here it's going to be page 3, panel 3. Okay, so this one is already working. Now, if you need to make a modification, for example, now, I don't know, you have your logo here, logo. Then in each screen, that will be there. Instead of modifying a lot of screen, you have the template. It's like creating a template. So now you don't like the logo there, just move it here. You want to create something more fancier. Okay, we can do this over here. For example, keep the logo there. Okay, put that there. So this is going to be my logo. Oops. I'm going to use, for example, ATA. And then on the screen of this one, if I want to do something more fancier, I can do this, create like an image for that one. And then, let's see, what is something like that, and 25. Oh, that's supposed too much. So you have the logo there, and when you go back to the screen, they have the same. Okay. Then what else? You have date and time. If you want to put the date and time there, you have it. Date and time. Put the same. There we go. Okay, so something that you can have. So this one is added on the panel. So if you want to replicate on all of them, go to the master, paste it there. That's gonna be fine. Okay. The other thing about the panels is that usually I create folders to separate things and start like ID 001 to 00. Then I don't know, main, whatever. And then inside are the panels. You can drag and drop it. Okay, and then usually I change these to, for example, ID 001. The 001 is the ID number that you have there on the panel, and then main screen. Okay, so now my main screen, if you forgot to add the master panel, just go here to master panel, select the main that you want, select the master panel you want, and that's it, you have everything. And my master panel, navigation. In order to navigate, you can create a button, okay, switch, and select panel. You have the possibility to select the ID. So here is going to be number 1, add. Okay, this is going to be navigation to page 2. So panel, this is the last 3 are the last 3 that you have used. If not, you can just go to panel, navigation 2. Let's change the name, navigation 3, panel. If you know this, it's okay, you can enter the number. Otherwise, you can go here and select from the list the panel that you have. Add, label 3. Okay, and then going to delete this part. And then let's see if it works. There is an error message. Brilliant. There we go. Okay. You can see how it changed. Okay. I don't remember now if I change these, it will modify the others. Let's put this one. No, it doesn't change. So if you want to do that, then let's go back to here. You can add, for example, a rectangle. Here, I'm going to put this in the background. So to put this in the background, right click, order, send to back. Then I'm going to use another color, something more. Something like that. Okay. And then if you go back here, you have that already defined. Okay. So this is how you can make the base and master panels. Okay, it's something useful to have the master panel, so it allows you to speed up the design time. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.